The CD is named Warrior, and this is what it looks like. Look, it's such a beautiful illustration. What a beautiful picture of Kesha. So this movie, the CD is like paradise. You never know what's behind it because there's more stuff behind this CD. How gorgeous this is. Oh, and this is the Kesha CD Warrior. And it says, Dion, come on, crazy kids. And supernatural. Supernatural. It's like when you buy a bag of chips that's Lay's Natural with the crunkly ribblings. It's like it's got the ridges, and then it's like supernatural, and then you can eat it with chips. I mean, obviously you're gonna eat the chips with chips, but like you can have tea, and you can drink the tea with chips. And let me open this up for you guys so you can see what's inside. Look what's inside. This is Kesha. This is pure paradise. See? Oh. It's executive produced by Dr. Luke, and Rainey Hancock has made the A&R. I don't know what A&R means, but I imagine that A stands for Apple and R stands for reluctant, or it stands for reassurance. So it's like Apple reassurance. You guys look at how pretty that is. I had this and I came in, and I came this in for today, and then also these CDs. I mean, this CD came in a box, and this box folds open. You see how this box folds open? And then once the box, once this box fold open, then you have in here it folds again, and then in there is the CD. So it's already a super deluxe edition, just with the packaging itself. I wanted to show you guys this because this is a very cool thing that occurred today. It's very cool. So I just wanted to show you that. So this is Kesha. It's the Kesha CD Warrior, okay? So look, guys. Here's more. Oh my gosh, it's a picture of Kesha. We're seeing it together. She's drinking a drink. Maybe it's Southside Jamaican root beer. Southside, yeah, maybe it's Jamaican ginger root beer. Yeah. But this is cool, right? And here's another CD. So here's another CD with a couple more songs. Gold Trans Am, Out Alive, Past Life, and yeah, just a few songs. Yeah. Kesha, this is cool. Kesha Warrior. I also like Jamaican ginger root beer. So yeah, this is really dope. I just wanted to show you guys the CD Kesha Warrior. So this is the CD Kesha Warrior. And if you want to see the performances of Kesha Warrior, then if you go on YouTube, I know that there's a performance there. Maybe it's an iHeart performance. But I know that she is singing in front of an important crowd. It's a beautiful set design. And I think she sings this many songs from this album. Couple songs. So it's cool. For information about the songs, go to her Wikipedia page or just Google the specific album Warrior by Kesha. Okay, guys, that's Warrior by Kesha. Okay. Kesha also will be performing on March 7th here in Amsterdam. I live near Amsterdam. Bye.